Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add email account to Outlook. It will be really simple and easy. First of all, open up the Outlook and then what you need to do is go into the top left and go and tap on file. Make sure info is selected, which should be by default, and as you can see here, we've got this option for add account. So it's going to have an add account like so. Then what you need to do is enter an email address. It doesn't have to be an Outlook email, it could be literally anything. I'm going to add my Gmail right now. Now click on this connect button at the bottom like so. You can always go and look at the advanced option as well to go manually set it up, but personally I just use the automatic option. Go and tap connect like so, and it's going to take a moment to load, and you are going to go and get a pop-up like this. Because I'm using a Gmail account, I've got this pop-up here, but if you are using a Yahoo, you'd go and get a Yahoo pop-up. It's all going to vary on your provider. Then go and tap on next like so. After you've already entered your password, you can go and type in sign in like so, and it's going to take a moment, and you may need to do like a quick verification on the app. And then after the verification, what you need to do is allow access to your account. Tap on allow, and then you are good to go. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to add email account to Outlook. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.